This tutorial will teach you how to make a reversible hooded neck scarf. This will work best with some kind of cozy fabric like fleece or flannel. You can also add a fancy clasp or closure instead of just the small hook and eye that I used here. So feel free to customize this however you want. You can download the free pattern that I created if you follow the link in the description below. Start by sewing the hood part of the scarf. Sew the hood pieces with right sides together down to the dot on the pattern. Press the seams open. Repeat that process for the lining or contrast color of the scarf. You want to sew the hood and the contrast color of the hood together with right sides together. Sew around the entire perimeter of the scarf, pivoting the needle at the center back seam. You also want to make sure to leave a small gap in one side so that you'll be able to turn it to the right side. Clip the corners and turn the scarf right side out through that little gap. Then you want to press everything flat and top stitch to make it look nice and neat. Now all you have to do is add the hook and eye. Try on the scarf to test for where the best placement for your hook and eye will be, and then sew them in place. And that's it, you have finished. You have a cool new reversible hooded scarf.